Hey guys, Chris again from Classic VW Bugs. Another beautiful day at the shop. It's Monday. Beautiful sunny day here, summer in New York. Got some bugs that just came in that need some repair work. This bad boy just came in, this 63 rag. And got to work on this fella's engine. Hold on. He's got a big engine in here. Pretty cool. Sounds like it's getting hot, so I have to look into getting that dialed in. This guy we just finished working on, we got to adjust his shifter. So a lot of times these custom cars will get these custom shifters in. He's got some custom seats here, and you see this custom shifter. So a lot of times these could be a little sticky. It's very short throw. Some people like it, some people don't. He's tempted to go back to a stock shifter just for, I guess, a little bit easier on his hands. So some people, it's all based on taste, right? I took it for a drive. It actually worked okay for me. And then got a couple cars that are going to be going up for sale here. My good friend Joe, who passed away 3 years ago, he had a lot of Volkswagens come through my shop, and this is one of them here, a 65 notchback. Beautiful car, has a rag top. He redid the whole interior. This car is a beauty. Sat for three years since he passed. I went over to his house over the weekend, and some fresh gas, and this thing started. So very, very cool here. This is going to be going up for sale soon, guys, so be on the lookout. Anybody interested, you know, shoot me an email, give me a phone call, 845-290-9900. And it's a beauty. I love driving those cars. They almost feel like new cars. So here's my 65 Kia. Starting to tear down my 67 here. I'm probably going to send that off to the paint shop soon. Just been so busy. You see the shop, we got a bunch of cars here to work on. So here's another 63 ragtop for my trucker. Actually, I found him this car, and he's enjoying that. I just built his doors. Had to do new vent window seals. You know, the infamous vent window seals, pain in the butt. Heat them bad boys up, put them out in the sun, get them soft. You know, so had to do that. I did some new felt in and around the door, so we worked on that. And then we got Joe's 54 rag top. I don't know if you guys remember this one. This is also going to be going up for sale. So if anybody's interested, shoot me a number. Shoot my number rather. Give me a call. We can talk. If you don't remember, this has Judson Supercharger on it. Take a look at this. Freaking cool. Some fresh gas. This thing started, but it's been sitting for 3 years, so we really gotta dial it in, you know. But that's what's going on at the shop, guys. It's 2026. Still busy. Still working on bugs. Oh man, I love this car. Check it out, man. One of our signature interior kits we put in here. So very cool. Freaking steering wheel is beautiful. Love it. So yeah. Beautiful car. All right, guys, that's a quick video. Just wanted to show where we're at today. Shop is still busy. Still got a lot of cars coming in, doing stuff. That's it. So all right, take care.